Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 times x power 1 by 2 plus 5x power minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 power 1 by 2. And we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first we can write it as 3x 1 by 2 plus 5 divided by x 1 by 2 because in numerator it is a negative. When it comes to denominator the power becomes positive. So here 2 power 1 by 2. Now I'm going to do squaring both sides. So by doing squaring on left hand side it becomes a formula of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square is 3 square, that is 9, and square of x 1 by 2 square. So we can write it as x 1 by 2 times 2. So we can eliminate it, only x is left. Plus 5 square is 25. Similarly, x power 1 by 2 square is only x. Plus 2ab, a is 3, x power 1 by 2 and b is 5 divided by x 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Now we can eliminate this. So what is left? 9x plus 25 divided by x plus 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30 is equals to 2. Now I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So it becomes 9x plus 25 by x plus 28 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to multiply with x throughout the equation. So it becomes 9x square plus 25 plus 28x is equals to 0. If I rearrange this equation, it looks like 9x square plus 28x plus 25 is equals to 0. Now it's look like in quadratic equation. So we can compare it with quadratic formula. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Where a is 9, the coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, that is 28, and c is the constant term, that is 20. So our quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x is equals to minus b is minus 28 plus minus under root minus 28 square minus 4 times 9 times 25 divided by 2 times 9. So x is equals to minus 28 plus minus under root 28 square is 784 minus 4 times 25 is 100 and 100 times 9 is 900 divided by 18. So x is equals to minus 28 plus minus, when we subtract this we get minus 216 divided by 18. So x is equals to minus 28 plus minus under root 216, and outside is iota because the value of iota is under root minus 1. So divided by 18. So 216 we can write it as 6 root 6 iota divided by 18. So we have two values of x. So x either minus 28 plus 6 root 6 iota by 18, or the second value is minus 28 minus 6 root 6 iota by 80. You can take 2 as common from numerator and denominator, and you can eliminate it as well. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.